Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the little whale locations for day 3 in Heartopia. So during this event, the new event called Of Whales event, Naughty will give you a quest to collect photo of the little whales that's scattered around the camp. But first you need to talk to him first to accept the quest, and then after that you can just start to collect the photos. And then in here, I will show you the locations for day 3. And if you missed the previous day, you can just find all the guides in my Heartopia playlist. And then for today, the locations is on here and this camp home, more precisely on here. And then let's just open your camera to take a photo, and then just take a photo of this orange splash whale like this, and just like that you will successfully take a photo of the little whale day 3. And then for the bubble, the furniture bubble is located on here, just on here. Then just pop it like this, and okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.